Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. If you're new here, I am Tae of Uneatly Tae. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, fate baits, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you new fall home decor ideas, DIYs, and much more. I'll be giving you an overview of all the different things that you can do to your home for this upcoming fall season. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. So this is my coffee bar, and I have a lot of my fake foods being displayed throughout this video. So you'll be seeing a lot of my up-to-date fake baits. A lot of these fake baits I have not recorded videos for just yet. This will be my first time sharing it with all of you. And right here, this is like a little nook area in my kitchen that I decorated with some nice fall and farmhouse decor. And also in this video, you will all be seeing how I have incorporated my past video, which was a Dollar Tree haul video where I showed a lot of my fall items, new fall items that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. So you're going to be able to see how I use those items throughout my house. And I really enjoyed doing this. I had such a great time decorating. I love decorating, and I love doing it early so I can take my time and just put my all into it. So just go through and check out all the new finds that I've placed throughout my home. Now I'm getting ready to show you my craft area and my fall tree that I've been telling all of you about. I decorated and it looks so good. I love every aspect of it, and I decorate every part of my house, even down to the area where I craft and record. I decorate everything because I just love decorating. So I pretty much everything on this tree I had from the year before or a few years ago. So nothing on this tree was bought. Everything is from my stash of items I've already had. And I just enjoy so much how everything has come together. It looks so good. Now I'm in my room. This is a little side table that I have near my bed that I generally use for like my cell phone and different little whatnots and different things that I like to just add to my room for the seasons and for festive decor. I have these two fabric pumpkins that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I have some DIY pumpkins that I actually painted that blue. And I also have this beautiful, like a bronze gold color pumpkin that my grandma gave to me as a Christmas gift last year. And everything just looks so good. This whole side table decor is all Dollar Tree. It's all Dollar Tree. Every item from the fabric pumpkins to the small pumpkins, it's from Dollar Tree. Minus the gift from my grandma. That wasn't from Dollar Tree. But everything else was from Dollar Tree, and I really enjoy putting this all together, you guys. It's just something about the baby blue, that soft blue. It just did something for me. Right here there is a table, my side table. I redid that. That was a revamp. I took some of that magic cover and I wrapped the top part of the table in magic cover. So thank you so much for all of you tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video.